Kcca, the financial year 2024-2025 was a defining period. It was a year of bold action, decisive leadership, and unwavering commitment to transforming Kampala into a livable, modern, and inclusive city. We know that our city has challenges, just as you do. These challenges range from waste management, flooding, traffic congestion, limitation in access to some public services, that as an authority we have not shied away. Instead, we have rolled up our sleeves and led from the front. I am proud to share with you what we have accomplished together, where we are heading, and what support we may need to keep this momentum or have the city look better. In the first aspect, which is waste management, one of our biggest victories this year has been securing land worth 230 hectares in Buyala, Kcca, where we want to establish a modern integrated waste management and resource recovery facility. This came as a direct response to the challenge we had at the Kcca's landfill, which had long outlived its usefulness. We have started decommissioning Kcca by flattening the garbage heaps. This we are doing with the grant of $1 million, which we received from the government of Japan through UN Habitat. The grant is intended to mitigate the immediate high risk at the landfill. This intervention is only going to consider 7 acres out of the 39 acres where we intend to manage gas emission, steep slopes, we will treat leachates, and we will also improve drainage so that the high risks which are imminent for the people surrounding the landfill are handled with immediate effect. This is being done ahead of a bigger process which we are currently undertaking to source for a contractor who can remediate and repurpose the remaining part of the Kcca's landfill, which is 32 acres of land. In establishing a modern integrated waste management resource recovery facility, we believe as Kcca that Buyala will be a game changer in this aspect. It will be an integrated hub for waste management. When we are managing waste in the city, it's not only about the final destination where this garbage rests. So it's not only about Buyala. Management of waste starts from the point of generation, where the person who is generating waste stands or sits or works or resides. We all know that for every penny you churn out, you are generating waste. You buy a bottle of water, you generate waste. You buy a shirt, you generate waste. You buy a phone, you generate waste. So what does that mean? That we cannot only focus on where garbage will finally rest, but we have to manage waste from the point of generation. And because of that, we embarked on a community campaign. We have been conducting community cleanups every weekend in the different wards or parishes of the city. To us, these are not just symbolic. They are about changing the mindset of our people. They are about teaching communities on how to sort garbage at source, how to recycle it, how to reuse it, and they are intended to remind us all that a clean city is a shared responsibility, and it starts with each one of us. So we will continue with these cleanups because it has become evident that they have a role they are playing in having a cleaner Kampala. We are also implementing a no litter campaign where we are encouraging everyone to dump garbage in a proper and responsible way. Our enforcement team has also done great work in sensitizing the communities and arresting those who are dumping irresponsibly. And on these points, I would like to call upon you, our dear friends from the Fourth Estate, to support us in sensitizing the masses. The responsibility of cleaning the city starts with each one of us. And we are saying dump garbage in the litter bin which is available in Kampala on our streets. If you do not find one, keep your waste until you find one. Because we all deserve to live in a clean environment. On responsible handling of waste, all our state dwellers have at least responded in a positive way. But we have not yet reached where we want it to be. So we would like to call upon all city dwellers to have the city at heart and ensure that all garbage, waste, rubbish is dumped responsibly. We as a city have a reservation scheme, and with this scheme we have made arrangements and contracted cleaners. Cleaners have been picked from our vulnerable population of Kampala. These are residents in our city divisions. They organize themselves into circles, two circles for this matter, the community circle and Seven Hills circle. We contracted them to clean the city. They are doing a good job, and we are calling upon the public to respect them on the road, to ensure that they are safe on the road, so that they do a good job.